am Dr. Yogesh Bokil. Today in this video, we will see how to make a plaid pattern in Adobe Photoshop with technical details. This is methodology number 1, and next time we will see other method to create the plaid pattern. Open your Adobe Photoshop. Then go to File and create a new file with the following details. Following details means you can use 98 pixels by 98 pixels along with the resolution 72 and bitrate is 8 and the color mode is RGB. To create a vertical guides, go to View and click on New Guide. Then set vertical guides with 8 pixels . 28 pixels, 36 pixels, 49 pixels, 57 pixels, 70 pixels, and 78 pixels. Set the foreground color of your choice and use rectangular marquee tool to select one of the fat 20 pixel wide columns. Then use the paint bucket tool to fill the selection. Repeat the process for other 20 pixels wide column. Next is to set the foreground color of your choice. Use the rectangular marquee tool to select one of the 13 pixel wide columns and then use the paint bucket tool to fill the selection. Repeat the process for the other 13 pixels wide column. Then set the foreground color of your choice and use the rectangular marquee tool and the paint bucket tool to select and fill the remaining columns, all of which are 8 pixels wide. The next step is to duplicate the file. After the layer has been duplicated and with the top layer selected in the layers palette. For the duplication of the file, you can use Ctrl J as a shortcut to duplicate the file or else to right click on the layer to duplicate the file. Now go to Layers panel and change the opacity of 50%. Now go to Edit, Transform and rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Otherwise you can right click on the image to go for transform the image. Now create a new file and that is 6 pixels by 6 pixels with the transparent background option. Set the foreground color of your choice and select the pencil tool with a 1 pixel square tip. Increase the view on the new 6 pixels by 6 pixels file to 800% and use the pencil tool to create the stitching pattern. Next is to edit and click on the define pattern. Now go back to our Plaid file and double click on the top layer to open the layer style options. Click on the pattern overlay and then select the pattern that we just created. This will apply the stitching pattern to the Plaid image. This is how it will look with the 100%. Go to edit and define the pattern to save your Plaid pattern in your library. To use the pattern, create a new file of any size. Fill the background layer with any color and then double click on the layer in the layers palette. Select pattern overlay and choose the pattern that you just created. If anyone has any doubts about this, you can contact me on my email ID or from my website. Go to my description box for my email ID and website. Thank you very much.